गेंदबाजी में परिवर्तन।
पहली गेंद चौथे ओवर की और संयम और साहस से काम लेना होगा यहाँ पे। पावर प्ले का अच्छा इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाए, रनों का इजाफा करना है अगर एक अच्छे टोटल तक पहुंचना है तो इनको यहाँ पर एक नॉच ऊपर करनी ही होगी अपनी गेम। अजय
ठीक है, राजीव में ना वो विश्वास झलकता है जब भी मैं इनको देखता हूं। देखिए क्रिकेट है, क्रिकेट में आप आउट हो भी सकते हैं, पर इनकी जो बल्लेबाजी है ना उसमें वो आत्मविश्वास झलकता है। ओ बढ़िया गेंद अंदर आती हुई, बहुत ही नजदीकी मामला। बैकफुट पे गए थे यहाँ पे राजीव, थोड़ी दुविधा में नजर आए।
कॉन्फिडेंस की बात कर रहे थे आप अजय, और आत्मविश्वास से लबरेज है ये खिलाड़ी। अंपायर की कॉल नॉट आउट। हताश होंगे बॉलर खयूम, काफी एनिमेटेड नजर आ रहे हैं, जैसे अपनी मूवीज में लगते हैं, पर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा अंपायर पर। और बहुत जरूरी है यहां पर एक ब्रेक थ्रू और निकालना। रनों की गति में अगर विराम नहीं लगा तो मुश्किल हो सकती है। और ये फिर कोशिश करी एक बड़ा शॉट खेलने की, सफलता मिली एक रन लेने की।
एक बहुत जबरदस्त रणनीति से यहां पे गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं जो लाइन है अगर आप देखें मिडिल ऑफ पे रख रहे हैं। जानते हैं दोनों बैट्समैन ऑन साइड पे बहुत स्ट्रांग है, बहुत सक्षम है। और अगर आप फील्ड देखें ऑन साइड पे तो कुछ खिलाड़ी डीप में है, कुछ बाउंड्री राइडर्स हैं। आप देखिए डीप स्क्वेयर है, डीप मिड विकेट, लॉन्ग ऑन। दोनों बैट्समैन पसंद करते हैं उस क्षेत्र में खेलना। कई बार क्रॉस लाइन हमने देखा, कल भी राजीव को खेलते हुए कुछ शॉट। तो एक रणनीति यहां पे बनाई है, एक योजना बनाई है और उस पर अमल कर रहे हैं।
जी, रणनीति के साथ जुट कर रहने की बहुत बहुत बड़ी दरकार है अभी, क्योंकि ये छोटा मोटा मुकाबला नहीं है, फाइनल है। और ये कलेक्ट करने में थोड़ी चूक हुई और मिस किया एक और अपॉर्चुनिटी को।
ये मौका था स्टंपिंग का, थोड़ा आगे निकल गए थे, अपना जो संतुलन है वो भी खो बैठे थे राजीव। ओह, गेंद आई नहीं, मौका था स्टंपिंग का, चूके। और ये मौके कई बार बहुत अहम रहते हैं। ये विकेट एक बड़ी विकेट होती अगर मिल जाती जल्दी राजीव की।
जी बिल्कुल सही कहा। It's the 100 mark if they want to intimidate the opposition and win this final. Remember, they're playing against the Kerala strikers who are well grounded in front of their home crowd in their comfort zone. And the last ball of the fourth over, and Arun and Rajiv are trying to take these innings. Well, that's plucked towards point and will be intercepted by the fielder, and will take a misfield. Will it? Well, they come for another one, and at the end of 4 overs, it's 25 for 1. मिजाज, माफी चाहूंगा। और ये बड़ा शॉट खेलने की कोशिश कहां तक पहुंचती है, और क्रॉसेस द बाउंड्री।
देखिए यहां तारीफ कर दी, कई बार कमेंटेटर कर्स हो जाती है, पर जी हाँ बहुत बढ़िया क्रिकेटर है। पर पहली गेंद जो थी शॉर्ट ऑफ लेंथ, और अब यहाँ पे प्रहार करते हुए ये क्षमता है राजीव में, ये मैं बात कर रहा था। जब मौका मिलता है अपने हाथ खोलते हैं, और ताकत भरपूर बैट फ्लो देखिए जबरदस्त। तो स्वागत इतना अच्छा नहीं सचिन जोशी का, हालांकि पिछले मुकाबले में याद है 2 जल्दी विकेट इनको मिल गए थे। विनीत अच्छा कार्य किया था, और इस बार बैकफुट पे, पर खिलाड़ी डीप में तैनात। मैं कह रहा था वो विश्वास झलक रहा है राजीव की बल्लेबाजी में, और आत्मविश्वास वो संबल है जो रास्ते की सारी बाधाओं को धाराशायी कर देता है।
Well, they need a good partnership. They need to hold on to the fort. They definitely need to come up with a winning innings over here. And like Ajay said, Sachin Joshi would want to make an impact, give a breakthrough to his team. His captain is very hopeful that this will be the over, and that's a big shot, and it's punched away, and it'll cross the boundary for a big 6. So back-to-back sixes coming, and Sachin Joshi will not be a happy man. Time to go back into a huddle and figure out what is he doing wrong.
And this has been a very productive over for the strikers. Earlier we saw Rajiv, now it's Arun Beni just going, rocking on the back foot, playing in the gap. That's a good shot once again. Runs are coming for the strikers. Once again pulled away. Just bowling a touch short, Sachin Joshi in this over. Just bowling a bit flatter as well, not giving the ball much air.
Well, running between the wickets has been a crucial aspect of CCL so far, and the way the teams have taken running between the wickets to a serious level is commendable. Well, they are going for the big shots, but they're also realizing the fact that running between the wickets is what is going to get them across to a good total, and that's plucked away again, and it will cross the rope for another 6.
The third 6 in this over, and that's a clobbered once again on the onside. Nicely picking that one. Expensive over, already conceding 20 runs in this over. Joshi, this is just the kind of over you want, just getting the impetus at the moment. The strikers from this over. This time a full toss. That's played on the onside, just clearing the infield. Won't be a 4, should stop it. The ball just slowing down in the deep, but that's good running once again. Very good over for the strikers. 23 runs coming from this over, 48 for 1.
And they've got 43 of the last 20 balls in this partnership. Fantastic stuff. That's good bowling. Good comeback ball from Qayyum, who's starting a fresh over.
In fact, if you look at Qayyum, the previous over bowled really well, deceived the batsman in the air, varying his speed, and now the first ball almost it got yorked. And see your bulldozer faces here. They are watching the proceedings of the this final live from Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium, Hyderabad.
The game that they played against the Mumbai Heroes seemed to be an aberration. Both teams getting over 100 runs. No other teams managed that so far in the tournament. It's well fielded. Will come back for the second. It's good running. 50 on the board.
Absolutely, it's a very good running between the wickets. Rajiv pushing himself. That's Kicha Sudeep, the captain of Bulldozers, encouraging the team, 2 finalist teams. Very important to be part of this setup.
Well, his team didn't make it to the finals this year. They've been champions twice, remember, the Karnataka Bulldozers. But his team holds the distinction of scoring the highest runs this season. 125 is what the Kerala Bulldozers, Karnataka Bulldozers got. And this is a stumping chance, gone a begging. Qayyum thought he had his man. The keeper fumbled it.
Another one, second time in succession. The previous over also Qayyum got Rajiv, but the keeper missed it. Again the keeper missed it. That's a good trap.
Can you lip read and understand Telugu, Sunil?
It's absolutely impossible.
I don't want to say that on an on-air broadcast, but I'm sure they weren't very kind words on Christmas.
That's another one from Rajiv. I'm sure here Qayyum is being very, very tactically he's bowling well.
Got to give it to them. That one over for 23 was an aberration. Barring that, I think the Telugu Warriors have bowled excellently, and the fans are pretty happy with that.
Absolutely, the crowd has come all the way, to cheer the home team to win the championship again. That's the one from Arun. He missed it, and the fielder doesn't miss it. That's the celebration from Telugu Warriors. Qayyum finally struck.
Yes, you've got it, man. Another one goes down for the Kerala strikers here. And the man to go is Arun.
Last. They need to win this. They should get a good score to close to 100.
It's a smart move. Take the single, keep the strike. The set batsman. 6 overs gone. It's 52 for 2.